Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in last video I teach you how to add extension of volume master. Now I will teach you how to add extension of Google Translate. You know that we use Google Translate for any work to translate. You can see here 40 million people using Google Translate this extension. So most of the languages are there. You can see overview, view translation easily as you browse the web by the Google Translate team. This extension add a button to your browser toolbar. Click the translator icon whenever you want to translate the page you are visiting. The extension also automatically detects if the language of the page you are on is different from the language you are using for your Google Chrome. See, this is very important. So I think, yeah, interface, if it is a banner appears at the top of the page, click the translate button in the banner. You have all the text bar on your page appears. So this is the way. You can see here 4.3 ratio rating out of 5 and 42.9k rating for this translation. So we will go to the add extension here. We'll click here, add extension, and then it will go to the next page. See, Google Chrome has been added to the extension. So this is how you gonna